The dreaded land shark. There is quite a bit of misinformation about this shark species due to an old comedy bit written about them. Land sharks are typically found in wooded areas near swimming pools. Despite their close proximity to humans, land sharks do not attack or go after humans. Their main source of food: pool toys. The average land shark can eat up to 2 pool toys a week. The inflatable ones are their preferred prey. The land shark is clumsier on land than in the water, so it usually remains still until a pool toy gets close, then ambushes it. A successful hunt for the land shark. After it eats its fill, the shark will retreat again to the woods.